Hello everyone. Today's video is a little out of the ordinary. I decided it's time to refresh my recording space and give it a bit more flair. Since my content revolves around cars, I thought, why not build something fitting, like a Lego buggy car? Many of us have fond memories of building with Lego as kids, or maybe we still enjoy it today. So I decided to record the process and show you how something as simple as a pile of bricks can transform into a sleek, exciting vehicle. When I started filming, the frame was already complete, but there are plenty of intricate details still to come. To make things more fun, I've created a split-screen view for you. On the left, you'll see the early stages of the build, and on the right, the nearly finished masterpiece. This way, you can follow the entire process and compare the transformation step by step. Along the way, I'll share some thoughts about why this particular Lego set caught my eye. Its rugged off-road vibe feels perfect for someone like me, who's all about speed and adventure. Plus, I'll highlight some cool design features, like the suspension and those massive wheels that make this buggy so special. So, buckle up. Let's dive into the world of Lego and see how this buggy comes to life, piece by piece. So, the build continues, and I can already see this yellow beast with massive wheels taking shape. Just look at this aggressive design. Wide arches, sturdy tires, and detailed suspension all come together to embody the true spirit of off-road adventures. Every element of this buggy is crafted with precision. For instance, check out the robust frame, which not only adds realism to the model, but also hints at its rugged potential. At the back, we've got a spare tire, just like on a real buggy, while the front, with its powerful headlights, screams readiness to conquer the toughest terrains. As I was building, I noticed how perfectly the pieces fit together, making the whole process incredibly satisfying. Lego once again proves why their sets are a favorite across generations. The final result is absolutely stunning. This buggy looks like a miniature version of a real car. I'm even considering creating a small scene for it. Maybe a desert with sand dunes or a rocky trail. And with that, my Lego adventure comes to an end. Thanks for watching and spending this time with me. Don't forget to leave a comment if you enjoy this format and share your favorite Lego sets too. See you in the next video where new exciting projects and, of course, speed await.